नित्यानन्देश्वर समारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरि मध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वंदे गुरु परंपराम्। इस समय हमारे साथ उपस्थित सभी दर्शकों और भक्तों का मैं प्रेम एवं आशीर्वाद सहित स्वागत करता हूँ। I welcome all the devotees, disciples, Samajis, Satsangis sitting with us through Nityananda TV, Sadhana TV, Lotus News Channel, Janashri TV and Ishwar TV, and through two-way video conferencing in 37 places having Nayanadiksha in 23 countries around the world as per the statistics. The city is sitting with us through two-way video conferencing. Los Angeles, Arunachalam, Nityananda Nagara, Hyderabad, Tiruvannamalai, Arunachalam, Varanasi, Singapore, Singapuram, Houston, Kalahasti, San Jose, Madurai, Guadalupe, Rameshwaram, Ohio, Prayag, Bangalore, North, Oklahoma, Somanatham, Seattle, Chidambaram, Atlanta, Ujjaini, Enriching Temple, Biddi, Oklahoma, Somanatham and Toronto, Kailasam, Tallahassee, Florida, Oman, Sivagangai, Mattakkalappu, Ilangai, Colorado Springs, USA, Melbourne, Australia, New York, Varanasi, Warrington, UK, East London, UK, Devon, UK, San Diego, Tiruvalavai, Paris, Kalighat, Mulund, Mumbai, Mill Valley, California, Surrey, British Columbia, Wellington, New Zealand, Indrani, New Jersey, Bogota, Colombia, Washington DC, Sripuram, St. Louis, Tirumala, Slovakia, Shivaloka, Hyderabad, Guptakashi, Vancouver, Bhubaneswar. I welcome all of you with my love and blessings. Today, the third day of Nityanandeshwara Brahmotsavam, Tirukarthikei Brahmotsavam, Nityanandeshwara and Nityanandeshwari are gracing us in the Sarvalankara. And today, the 6th anniversary of Los Angeles Nityananda Vedic Temple and Nityananda Vedic University. And my blessings to the whole Los Angeles till the sun and the moon and beyond. Let the temple live and grace the whole world. And I accepted all the Nevedyams. 6 years over and 7th year they are entering. Blessings to all the devotees in Los Angeles. And I also accepted all the 128 Nevedyams you offered. Blessings. And birthday blessings to Andal and Prema Kodandaraman. Blessings. And today, Swami Akhilanandaji Maharaj is here. He is the head of the Kutralam Ramakrishna Tapovanam. He is the disciple of Swami Chidbhavanandaji. Swami Chidbhavanandaji. If I have to introduce Swami Chidbhavanandaji to all of you, I think all of you know Swami Chidbhavanandaji because when I spoke on Bhagavad Gita, I dedicated the whole Bhagavad Gita satsang our satsang to Swami Chidbhavanandaji, because I read Bhagavad Gita first at the age of 12 from Swami Chidbhavanandaji's translation. He is a great Mahatma, great soul, who brought Vedanta to South India, who is the South India's Vivekananda. Swamiji is direct disciple of Swami Chidbhavanandaji. Today he is here to bless us, and on behalf of me and Nityananda Dhyanapidam, I offer our respect. Swamiji belongs to Puri Sampradaya, so Mahanirvani Akkada Sadhu, as per the tradition, we offer our humble respects. And I also bless Thiruvannamalai. All the devotees, organizers have gathered in Thiruvannamalai today for planning further programs in Tamil Nadu, and all the Thiruvannamalai devotees and disciples are planning for a Padayatra from Thiruvannamalai to Bangalore. Today the organizers team is meeting on Padayatra. My blessings for the success of the meeting and success of the Padayatra. Blessings for the organizers meet. So, I'll continue with today's satsang. Today is 21st batch Inner Awakening, 10th day. 18th batch Engineers, 10th day. 21st batch Nirahara Samyama, 2nd level, 7th day. 10th batch, level 4th, Nirahara Samyama, 10th day. Today I wanted to expand on the concept which I was explaining from yesterday. The form, understanding about the form can lead to spontaneous completion and spontaneous enlightenment. Please understand. All the forms you see are like balloon structures in the life. It is the amount of emotion you infuse into them. Please listen. The amount of emotions you infuse into them inflates that balloon. So the inflation value of every form in your life is the incompletion you carry inside. The inflation value of every visualization, every form you carry in your being is dependent on the incompletion you carry inside. Please listen. Contemplate. Take few seconds and contemplate on this. Every form you carry in your life, everything which is most valuable or most dangerous in your life, most valuable or most dangerous in your life, gets alive, becomes alive, gets life only based on the incompletions you infuse into it. Understand, everything is gas balloon in your life. Whether it is the most important form or the most dangerous form, it's a gas balloon. Which balloon you are going to inflate it by infusing your incompletion? Please understand, the most dangerous thing you think in your life, whether it is poverty or death or disease or accident or losing your name and fame or losing your identity, the most dangerous thing is also inflated balloon by your incompletion. And the most beautiful form in your life, even if it is Guru's form, even if it is your Ishta Devata's form, is nothing but form inflated by some of your incompletion. Please listen, I am using the word incompletion, not completion. I am using the word incompletion, not completion. Even you making your God or Guru a hero or savior or father figure is nothing but you feeling something is missing in your original space of completion. So both inflations are your creation. Please listen. I am giving you one of the greatest Advaitic truth in a simple, straightforward way. The most important truth you need to know whether it is the most dangerous form you think in your life or most blissful, reassuring form you think in your life. Form is a form is a form. Form gets its power only based on incompletion. If you think somebody is a villain, somebody is a hero, both are from your incompletion. Do not have God or Guru in your life because of your incompletion. Have both of them because of your completion, strength and love. I tell you, people who try to project hero figure, father figure on me because of their incompletion, I am afraid of them, because any day they will pull out their gas supply to my farm. Whether it is Guru or God, if your devotion, if your love is based on completion, only then you will also grow. You will be really growing in pure love and devotion towards Guru or God. Please listen. This whole rumors and scandals and problems around us drove away all the fellows who were projecting their hero figure, father figure on me due to their incompletion. Please understand. I have seen in my life the same fellows who are at my feet begging, crying, just to have my darshan or blessings, were demanding that leave this whole organization to us and get out. I only said, if I am an incarnation, I will come out of all this mess and prove. I proved. And the same thing during this hoax problem created by the media in Tamil Nadu, during this Madhurayadinam issue, I only said one thing. I am not against anybody. I have no anger towards anybody. I am not against anybody. I am not competition to anybody. Before accepting the responsibility, actually when 292nd Sannidhanam came and offered to me, he came and offered, he requested. Before accepting the responsibility, I meditated. And I saw very clearly Meenakshi wants me to accept that responsibility and commitment. So I took it. If that vision is powerful enough, I will continue. That's all I said. And again, all of you know, now we won the game. Please listen. Let everything be based on the space of completion, whether it is your devotion or anything. Of course, based on completion, you will not be able to have hatred or violence. But you will have a powerful strategy planning like Sri Krishna. Krishna did not have any hatred towards the Bhishma. Krishna did not have any hatred towards Drona. Krishna liberated Bhishma, but he had a powerful strategy. He knows what he wants and he will do what he wants. So understand, let everything be based on the space of completion. Whether it is your devotion, whatever. The form built by incompletion only will go on binding you more and more and more. Just few days before I gave an example. If you have fear of snakes, in your whole life, if you see the statistics, you would have seen the snake only once or twice, that also in a zoo, in a very safe distance, where they can never come near you. You can only see them, they can only see you. You would have seen only twice. But mentally you will be seeing snake every day 200 times and having the panic attack. Not by the snake, but by the memory of the snake, you will have death much sooner. Not by the poison of the snake, but by the visualization of the snake, you will have early death. So understand, whether it is danger or what you call as love, both, if you fill it with your insecurity, if you fill it with your incompletion, both are going to be dangerous to you, harmful to you, and both are going to be binding you. So, understand, life in its pristine pure form is completion. When you bring completion into you, please listen, when you bring completion into you, no form will bind you. Whether it is love or danger, no form will be binding you, whether it is love or fear. And I'll expand the further satsangs how this understanding can lead to spontaneous completion and spontaneous enlightenment. Ramakrishna says very beautifully, one lady goes to Ramakrishna and complains, my husband is constantly threatening me, I'll become a sannyasi, I'll become a sannyasi. Ramakrishna laughs and says, don't worry, you will never become a sannyasi. No one can become a sannyasi like this. Then that lady asks, then how people become sannyasi? Ramakrishna just takes the towel in the shoulder, which he used to have, and does twice and puts it on his shoulder and says, see now how I am walking, leaving everything. That is the way people will leave and become a sannyasi. Means only through a spontaneous decision of completion, anything great can happen in the life. Never by something which you are mulling over with incompletion for ages and ages and ages. Adi Shankara says in Viveka Chudamani, even Kalpakala Paryanta, you are sitting with certain visualization or a ritual out of incompletion. Nothing can be done. He says, even the age of a Brahma, if you are sitting with some ritual, visualization, you cannot achieve anything great. You cannot achieve any completion. So understand, even Kalpakala Paryanta, if you sit with incompletion, whether you sit with your negative visualizations or positive visualizations, life is not going to become complete. It is not going to be liberating you. I'll expand in further satsangs how understanding can liberate you spontaneously. Understanding can enlighten you spontaneously. आज मैं विजुअलाइजेशन यानी मानसिक दर्शन के बारे में बात करूंगा। मानसिक दर्शन आपको सहज जीवन मुक्ति दे सकता है। जो भी आप रूप देखते हैं वो एक गुब्बारे की तरह है। जो भावना आप उसमें बांटते हैं वही उस गुब्बारे को फुलाता है। आप जो अपूर्णता से उस गुब्बारे में बांटते हैं वही उस रूप का निर्माण करता है। चाहे वो आपका सबसे भयानक रूप हो या सुंदर रूप हो, दोनों ही अपूर्णता से जन्मे हुए रूप है। यह अत्यंत महत्वपूर्ण सत्य है जो आपको समझना चाहिए। प्रत्येक रूप अपनी शक्ति केवल आपकी अपूर्णता से ही पाता है। गुरु या भगवान से संबंध अपनी अपूर्णता के कारण ना रखिए, केवल पूर्णत्व पर आधारित प्रेम और भक्ति के कारण ही रखिए। सो लिसन, don't fill any form in your life again and again through your incompletion. Every form you fill through incompletion will only bind you. यदि आप अपूर्णता के साथ किसी भी रूप के साथ बैठे हुए हैं, चाहे वो सकारात्मक रूप हो या नकारात्मक रूप हो, दोनों ही आपको पूर्णत्व नहीं दे सकते हैं। Let you all achieve, experience, live, express, radiate, share and explode in eternal bliss. Nityananda.
Nityananda Dhyanapitham, Nityananda Nagar, off Mysore Road, Bidadi, Bengaluru. Phone 08027279999. www.nityananda.org, www.youtube.com/lifeblissfoundation.